Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download Spotify on your iPhone so you can start enjoying all your favorite music right away. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. This is where you'll find all your apps for download. Once you are in the App Store, tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Now type in Spotify and press search. Once you're here, download the Spotify. Now just wait a few minutes for the app to download. Once it's done, tap the open. Now if you already have a Spotify account, you can log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can easily sign up for free or choose a premium plan. And that's it, you are all set up to listen to your favorite songs, playlists and podcasts on Spotify. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to give it a like, leave a comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.